Today in this video I'm showing how to make coconut and white chocolate pie. Talk about delightful. Silky smooth and oh so tasty. Ingredients you'll need. My favourite pastry base, there's a reel on how to do it. White chocolate, that's melting white chocolate. Cream cheese, gelatin that I've bloomed with 1 tablespoon of boiling water. Icing sugar, cream and some coconut. I'll leave the amounts in the comments. Bake your pastry tart shells. Meanwhile, you're going to melt your white melting chocolate, adding your gelatin that you've bloomed. Meanwhile, whisk the cream and the icing sugar till thick. Once that's done, add 1 tablespoon of coconut, add your cream cheese, whisk together. Then you're going to add your melting white chocolate and gelatin, whisk it together, add to cool tart shells. Once you've all filled them, you're going to sprinkle some coconut on top. Let them chill in the fridge till firm for a few hours. Guys, I'm telling you how easy are these beautiful coconut and white chocolate tarts to make. They're even good for a gift. Like I've done here, wrap them up for my friends. So why don't you enjoy? Cheers, thanks for watching.